What if tomorrow morning you didn't have to wake up to the sound of an alarm clock forcing you into traffic, endless emails, and a boss who doesn't even remember your birthday? Imagine this. No Monday blues, no begging for vacation leaves, no waiting for a paycheck that disappears in bills within 3 days. Sounds like freedom, right? But here's the shocking truth. Statistics show that 71% of people who quit their job without a plan run out of money in less than 6 months, while a small minority who prepare correctly build a life of financial freedom and control. The difference between those two groups isn't luck. It's mindset, strategy, and timing. And in this video, we're going to uncover what really happens when you quit your job forever and how you can turn that decision into the turning point of your entire life. Stay with me till the end, because the last point will completely change the way you think about income, security, and wealth forever. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's go point by point. Number 1. The emotional earthquake nobody talks about. The day you walk away from a job, you expect fireworks, celebration, relief, happiness. But what actually happens is an emotional earthquake. You suddenly realize how much of your identity was tied to your job title. For years, when someone asked, "What do?" you had an easy answer. Without that, you feel exposed. In fact, a Harvard study revealed that more than 55% of people experience a deep sense of identity crisis after leaving their 9-to-5, even if they hated the job. Most people make the mistake of assuming freedom only comes from financial independence. The truth? Freedom starts in the mind. Ask yourself, if I didn't have a job title, how would I introduce myself to the world? The answer to that question determines whether you'll thrive or collapse. Build an identity beyond your paycheck. Learn skills, create projects, invest in your passion. Because when you quit, it's not just your boss you leave behind. It's also the label society gave you. And if you don't replace it with a stronger identity, society will push you back into the cage you escaped from. Number 2, the paycheck withdrawal shock. For years, your bank account has been like a water tank with a monthly refill. The paycheck arrives, bills get paid, and you survive until the next refill. The moment you quit, the water stops flowing, but the leakage, your expenses, never stops. This is called the paycheck withdrawal shock, and it's the number one reason people panic. Nearly 57% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency expense without borrowing, which means quitting a job feels like jumping into a pool without checking if there's water inside. Most people make the mistake of quitting first and then trying to figure out income later. But financial freedom doesn't come from escape. It comes from preparation. Imagine building a second income stream while still employed, something as simple as dividend-paying ETFs or rental property cash flow. If you were already earning even $500 a month passively before quitting, your fear of running out of money would reduce drastically. Wealth is not about how much you earn, but how long you can survive without earning. That's why the rich talk about runway, the number of months or years their savings and passive income can cover expenses. If your runway is short, quitting your job is not freedom. It's financial suicide. But let's say you survive the shock. What happens next is something nobody warns you about: society's invisible judgment. Number 3, the silent judgment of society. Quitting a job should feel like a victory lap, but instead you'll notice a strange shift in how people look at you. Relatives whisper, friends question, neighbors assume you're either broke or lost. Society is conditioned to respect job titles, not freedom. In cultures across the world, especially in Asian and Western corporate-driven systems, what do isn't just small talk. It's their way of measuring your worth. University of Michigan found that social approval accounts for nearly 40% of career decision-making, meaning many people stay in jobs they hate because they fear judgment more than they fear misery. The mistake most people make is craving validation after quitting. They keep explaining themselves, justifying, or pretending to be busier than ever. This constant need to prove something eats up the very freedom they were chasing. The smarter approach is to embrace invisibility. Let people underestimate you. Use that silence as your superpower. Because when you stop playing by society's scoreboard, you finally start living by your own. Number 4, the time vacuum and how it reshapes you. When you quit, suddenly your calendar looks wide open. no meetings, no deadlines, no alarm clocks. At first, it feels like heaven, but very soon, it feels like quicksand. Time, without structure, becomes dangerous. That's why so many people who quit end up binge-watching shows, scrolling endlessly, or even slipping into depression. Design your days like an entrepreneur. Create a morning routine. Block out time for learning, health, and building income streams. Treat your life as the startup it now is. Ask yourself, if I were the CEO of my own time, would I fire myself today? That one question forces accountability. The transformation here is massive. When you take control of your time, you don't just quit a job. You quit being a follower of someone else's schedule and become the architect of your own destiny. Number 5, the hidden cost of losing benefits. Most people forget that a job is more than a paycheck. It's health insurance, retirement contributions, paid leave, even employer-matched 401k plans. The moment you quit, those cushions vanish. And if you're not careful, those invisible losses will cost you more than your old boss ever did. Over a decade, that's over $40,000 of missed compounding growth if you don't replace it. Health insurance? Without an employer, a family plan in the US costs around $22,000 a year. That's money you never thought about when your HR department was quietly covering part of it. Before you quit, secure alternatives, independent health insurance, self-managed retirement accounts, or even investment vehicles like Roth IRAs and dividend stocks. Because freedom without protection is just vulnerability in disguise. But here's a question that changes everything. What if losing these benefits forced you to build wealth on your own terms instead of depending on an employer? That's where the real story begins. The reinvention of your income model. Number 6, the reinvention of income. The most exciting and terrifying moment after quitting your job is realizing you must reinvent how money flows into your life. Instead of one paycheck, you now have infinite possibilities. Digital businesses, stock market investing, rental properties, consulting, online courses, dividend income. The difference between failure and freedom is building systems, not hustles. Think in terms of cash flow. A single rental property generating $200 a month in net cash flow is safer than a dozen random hustles. A portfolio of dividend-paying ETFs can bring $500 monthly while you sleep. These may not look glamorous at first, but over years they become invisible streams of income that replace your salary forever. Ask yourself, am I chasing money or am I building systems that make money? That one question separates the dreamers from the financially free. And here's where most people get it wrong. They underestimate the role of psychology in wealth. Quitting your job isn't just a financial shift. It's a mental battle with fear, scarcity, and self-doubt. That's the next transformation you need to face. Number 7, the new currency of freedom. When you quit your job forever, the real transformation isn't about money, it's about control. The world teaches us that dollars are the ultimate currency, but here's the truth. The richest people on earth measure their wealth in freedom, not just figures. Freedom to wake up without alarms. Freedom to say no to projects that don't align with their values. Freedom to choose where they live, who they spend time with, and what they dedicate their energy to. But here's the hidden reality most people overlook. Once you quit, you realize how little of your life was actually yours before. You were renting your time to a company. Every paycheck was proof that your hours didn't belong to you. When you stop renting your time and start owning it, you unlock the true compounding effect of life. Just as compound interest grows money, compound choices grow freedom. Every day spent building invisible income streams. Every book you read, every network you cultivate adds up into something far bigger than a paycheck could ever buy. Dollars buy comfort, but freedom buys meaning. And meaning is the currency that keeps you truly wealthy long after your last paycheck fades into memory. Your new chapter starts here. So what actually happens when you quit your job forever? First comes the emotional earthquake. You lose the label society gave you. Then comes the paycheck withdrawal shock. Your steady income disappears. Society judges, time feels like quicksand, benefits vanish, and fear whispers in your ear. But if you hold steady, if you prepare, if you rewire your mindset, something extraordinary happens. You stop living for approval, and you start living for purpose. You stop renting your time, and you start owning your life. Financial freedom isn't about quitting your job. It's about never needing one again. That's the true power. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. Now, if you want to know how rich people build wealth without looking rich, then watch this video. I'll see you there.